Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 1. How are you all? Hope you will be fine and enjoying good health in these days. In the previous lecture we have discussed the basic concept of subtraction. In this video we will learn subtraction sentence. Today our topic is subtraction sentence. Some of the dolphins are given. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 dolphins. If we subtract 1, so how many dolphins are left? 1, 2. There are 2 dolphins left here. I repeat, out of 3, if we subtract 1, we are left with 2. If we subtract 1 out of 3, I repeat, we get 2. As we can see that there are 6 umbrellas. There are 6 umbrellas. Out of 6, if we subtract 1, 2, we are subtracting 2 umbrellas. Now count the number of umbrellas that are left. 1, 2, 3, 4. If we subtract 2 from 6, we get 4. Here we can see that some of the parrots are given and some are subtracted from them. We will write subtraction sentence. As we can see that there are 8 parrots. I repeat, there are 8 parrots. Now we will subtract 1, 2, 3, 4. We are subtracting 4 parrots out of 8 parrots. So how many parrots are left there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. We are left with 4 parrots. I repeat, if we subtract 4 out of 8, we get 4. Here we can see that some of the kites are given and some are subtracted. Now students, you will tell me how to write subtraction sentence for them. We can see that there are 5 kites. There are 5 kites. Out of these 5 kites, we will subtract 1, 2, 3. How many kites are subtracted? There are 3 kites that are subtracted. Now students, you will tell me how many kites are left? Yes? 1, 2. There are 2 kites left. It means if we subtract 3 from 5, we get 2. Here some of the cats are given and some are subtracted. We will write subtraction sentence for it. How many cats are there? Yes, students, count them and tell me. There are 6 cats. Now we will subtract some of the cats. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We are subtracting 5 cats out of 6 cats. How many cats are left now? 1. We are left with 1 cat. It means if we subtract 5 out of 6, we get 1. I repeat, if we subtract 5 from 6, we get 1. Pick the correct subtraction sentence that matches the given figure. Now students, you will tell me which one is the correct sentence for this picture. Here you can see that some of the triangles are given and some are subtracted. And you will find the correct answer. Which sentence matches this picture? 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. 7 minus 3 equals to 4. Or 7 minus 4 equals to 3. Let's count the shapes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Out of 7, we are subtracting 1, 2, 3, 4. Out of 7, we are subtracting 4 and we are left with 1, 2, 3. It means out of 7, we have to subtract 4. This matches with the last option. Out of 7, we are subtracting 4 and we are getting 3. We are left with 3. If we subtract 4 from 7, we are left with 3. Here some of the hearts are given and some are subtracted from them. We have to find out which subtraction sentence matches with this figure. 4 minus 3 equals to 1. 8 minus 4 equals to 4. Or 4 minus 1 equals to 3. Now count the number of hearts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Out of 4, we are subtracting 1. So how many hearts are left? 1, 2, 3. This matches with the 4 minus 1 equals to 3. This subtraction sentence matches with this figure. I repeat, out of 4 we are subtracting 1 and we are left with 3. Here some of these circles are given and some are subtracted from them. We will find out which subtraction sentence matches with this figure. 6 minus 4 equals to 2. 6 minus 3 equals to 3. Or 9 minus 3 equals to 6. Now count the number of shapes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out of 6 we have to subtract 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we are left with 1, 2. Here different subtraction sentences are given. We have to find out the correct subtraction sentence for this picture. That is 6 minus 4 equals to 2, as there are 6 circles in total and we are subtracting 4 from them and we are left with 2. In this video we have discussed subtraction sentence. In the next video we will learn vertical subtraction. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.